everyone, welcome back to the new post. Today we're going to make those AI realist cat video that we see everywhere on TikTok and social media. Those videos generate money, so we are going to try to do something similar for free. We're going to use those two AI plus chatgpt to be able to make it. Please subscribe to the channel, activate the notifications so you don't miss any other video, please like it, and I also have a free AI newsletter where I post every week AI news. So sign up, it's totally free, the link is in the description. Alright, so we are going to start by searching Ideogram AI, so we can just open Google and click on it. Now we are going to create an account, so you can sign in with your account, Google account or Apple, whatever. Then when you have your account, you agree on the terms and service. And now you have your account in Ideogram. So now we're going to close this and we are going to put a prompt to create our first image. So as a reminder, we are trying to create a cat image. So I asked ChatGPT to make a prompt and here we are going to copy paste it. Then the aspect ratio, we're going to choose 9:16, so it's kind of like the format for TikTok or Reels, Instagram or YouTube Shorts. And we're going to the model, we're going to choose the 2.0. And now we're going to click on generate and we're going to wait that we have our image. So now we have 4 images of a cat. Okay, so we're going to download the 4 of them and now we are going to go on the AI video generator, which is called video.com. So here we're going to look for reference to video, which is basically we're going to upload our own images and it's going to animate them. So you can see everything that the generator can do. So now we're going to click on multi-reference consistency. So you click on it. And now we have to create an account, the same like Ideogram. After creating your account, we are going to click on image to video. And now we're going to upload our picture of the cat. Now we are going to go in ChatGPT, where we are going to ask a prompt to create a video. So you copy paste the prompt. Now we're going to create, so it's 4 credits. So we wait that it generates and now we have a video. Okay, so we can see that the results is not perfect at all. I think maybe it's the prompt is the problem. So it's okay. I think we should give it another try. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do again the same, but we're gonna upload a different picture. So now let's upload this one. We are going to generate another prompt, maybe more precise. And here we copy paste it. Now let's generate. And here we go. So, alright, so we can see the result is a bit better. I think it's still not the best, but it's better. So here you can see that you have all the premium version you can pay because it's only 4 credits. So I had to create an account to make only 1 video. So you can just, if you want to get the premium version, you can. Alright, now I think the problem is the prompt. So we are going to write another prompt in ChatGPT. We're going to again create an account, for new credits. We upload a picture. Now I copy paste my new prompt. So here we have the final result. It's like funnier. It's pretty nice. So basically you can do that for everything. You can take character, a landscape, whatever you want, and you just take it and upload it. And the generator will just animate it for you. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, you can give me a comment down the video. I have my free AI newsletter every week, so feel free to subscribe to it. And the link is in the description. See you in the next video.